again. By now we have already gone through all the important aspects of WordPress, but then there are a few features which you don't really use that much, but it's good to have some amount of idea about it. One such section is called Tools, and let's see how to use it. To access the Tools section, just click on Tools on the left sidebar over here. First, the Available Tools section shows up an overview screen showing tools like the categories to tags converter, which allows you to convert categories into tags. Now, this screen hasn't really changed in the last 10 years as far as I can recall, and barely anybody uses this. Still, if you'd like to convert categories into tags anytime in the future, then you can use this tool from here. Next are both the import and export option, which is quite self-explanatory in itself. The import option allows you to import content from other platforms such as Tumblr or Blogger or any other platform. Similarly, the export option will allow you to export all your content in an XML format so that you can import it on some other platform. I mean, imagine if you're moving out of WordPress to some other platform, you can use this. Or if you're moving into WordPress from some other platform, you can use the import option. Now, moving on, there is the site health feature, which monitors your website's health. Now, this is fairly a new feature that WordPress introduced, and it's quite an important one too, because it helps identify potential issues, ensuring your site is running smoothly. So this gives you some suggestions here as well. You can check over here from time to time and take actions accordingly. Now, let's talk about export personal data and erase personal data. Both these options allow you to export or erase personal data of any user registered on your website. This is mostly to comply with laws such as the GDPR. Finally, there is the file editor for theme and plugin. I'd recommend you to not make any change over here unless you have a really good understanding of programming in CSS and PHP. Because if anything goes wrong over here, that can completely break your website. So I'd just suggest stay away from this place. And that concludes our exploration of the tools section. Catch you in the next video.